Hey guys, it's over here. Today's video is going to be an office slash bedroom tour, whatever you want to call it. And I realized I haven't done one of these before, and I thought, hey, why not do this? It's the day before WWDC. I already uploaded a video, but I'm gonna upload one more. So yeah, let's get started. So first we have my no smoking sign. I made that in 8th grade. And then we have my door. And this room is Ohio State themed. Go Bucks. I love Ohio State so much. And so if you're a Michigan fan, I guess click off now, but yeah. So right here we have like my memory board. This is like stuff that I've like gotten over time. We have stuff from my cruise, like cards I've gotten, stuff from the cruise, just like stuff. And then I write like upcoming dates. Like I just erased it, but it was like blah 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 days until school's over, but that's school's over, so that's gone. Here's a little tiny little calendar. I just updated it to June. Yeah, so basically this is just stuff. Here's the Kaden and Toy Chica Studios title card. I hung that up a while ago. And now this has changed a little bit. We have like this is just stuff that was on my desk before, and I really like it. I like what I did. Here's Travels with Delaney stickers and also a Vineyard Vine sticker. Here's a little crane machine that I have. Yeti cup. This is like stuff that was on my desk before that I've gotten, and I know it looks like a bunch of junk, but it has some value to me. These are like cool little lanterns I have. Over here is like extra blankets and pillows, and then right here like it's just like storage and stuff. But in the middle row we have this cool like little like Apple thing I made. I guess you could call like a decoration. Like has like all the Apple stuff I've gotten over the years. Has my iPhone XR box, my iPhone X box, my iPhone 6s box, my iPhone 6 Plus box hiding behind that Apple bag. There's an Apple bag, my Apple Watch box, a dongle, and that dongle isn't even unboxed. Like there's a dongle, like a dongle box. The case, like right there, that's like a case box. We have the iPhone XR clear case, you can barely see. The iPhone SE leather case. Behind the leather case, you can barely see it also, is the 6S charcoal case. And then there's the white iPhone X case and the white iPhone 7 Plus case. So that's that, and I really like that. I thought I'd showcase that to you guys before WWDC. And right here you can just see there's some like stuff, a lamp. Then over here, this is my bed. Right here, I sleep this side facing here, and those little holes, those are from like putting my bed in. We like banged up against the wall. I have a Mountain Dew sign, Caden sign for my name, my calendar, my poster. Oh, I love those. Here's the Ohio State fathead, and then there's the stripe my mom painted. She did a really good job for like the helmet stripe. Then over here we have I actually have one smart bulb right there that I haven't used yet, but we have my Hue like smart light bulb, and it's just at like a basic orange right now. And then here's my coffee sign, Ohio State jersey, books. Here's some books right here. Here's like phone cases and stuff. I know it looks like unorganized, but there's some all my phone cases. Those are hats, some stuffed animals down there. Here's where I like plug in like my fan and stuff, and like my other laptop. Here is where like I have my tripod. This is my phone collection bin. A sign that says Hoover. That little fish tank. My wallet. Fake AirPods. Under there's just some papers, and here's my desk, and I recently redid this. My TV used to be over there, and my desktop computer used to be over there, but I moved it all together. So my desktop computer, my Fire Stick, my laptop, and a bunch of other stuff are all hooked up to this TV. So this TV, like, it can be a computer, it can be a TV, like my antenna's hooked up. It can be whatever you want it to be. It's like a smart TV. It has YouTube and Netflix on it. And also, you can like watch normal TV with the antenna. You can stream your laptop to it, or my desktop computer, like whatever I want. Here's this little lamp. There's Alexa. Here's my little desk. I still kept some of the stuff that fits on my desk. Here's the remote to the TV. There's my laptop. The JBL Clip 3. I really like that speaker. And back there, you can barely see it, but the pooping deer's behind there. There's my window. Then there's some more lights. I like using these two lights during videos, and also that one. I normally don't have that one on anymore. Here's my closet. It's kind of like dirty. Just like that's all a bunch of winter stuff in my book bag and stuff like that. Here's some more stuffed animals. My little monkey's got headphones on. Here's like where all my deodorant and cologne and stuff and chapstick. Like all that. There's some clothes, there's my dresser. Then over here we have a gumball machine. This is an actual one. I just haven't filled it up with gumballs in, like I did like 4 years ago, but I ate them all eventually. Here is my trash can. My caramel M&Ms fell out, but that was from that. There's my dirty clothes hamper. And then yeah, so that's basically just like a quick like little office tour, I guess you could say. My favorite addition, I really like this TV. Like as soon as I open this up and then turn my TV on, you'll see that it'll connect to that. See, it's exiting mirror mode right now, but it'll enter it once this TV gets on. And eventually, see, there it is, Hoover right there. This is what I edit this is so nice for editing, because like it's a way bigger screen. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Here is like a random iPhone 4S, random iPhone 8, my Fire Stick remote. There's my rubber bands for my braces, my fan that I sleep with, like pointing at me. Here's some more phone cases and the iJustine book. Then there's my phone right there. So yeah,